let me show you how you can undo your actions in Affinity. So when you mess up something, you can simply undo. You can head to Edit, and the very first option on the list is Undo. You can also see the shortcut. On Mac is Command Z, Z, and on Windows is Control Z. So undo from the menu, that's always a good idea. You can do it even faster with the shortcut. So now I'm just using my keyboard, Command Z, and I can keep pressing it again and again, and I will go back and back in the action history. Of course, we can redo. So if you select Edit Redo, or simply Command Z and Shift. Command Z Shift, we can redo this way. All right, there is also a special history panel when we can do all of that just with one single slider. First, we need to open it up. Head to Window at the top, General, and History. Here's the history. It may be already docked on the right side somewhere. You can dock it, or you can pull it out and have a floating panel. In both ways, it will work the same. You can see all of the changes here as a list, and you can go back to any step. So I can jump all the way to here. Or I can use my slider for that. Redo, or all the way undo, all the way to beginning of this project. So I just undo like 20 actions. I can redo them with just the slider. That's nice. All right, that's how you can undo and redo in Affinity. Remember the shortcut, it's super handy. Command Z or Control Z. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.